1 Minute Galician, Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Galician. Chámome Uxía.
And I'm Mark. We are here to teach you Galician 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend around a minute learning Galician, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now.
A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your Galician-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to this phrase in Galician.
¿Cómo che vai?
Listen again.
¿Cómo che vai?
Let's try this one more time.
¿Cómo che vai?
Now, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can say,
Estou bem.
try this again.
Estou bem.
One more time and remember to sound like you mean it.
Estou bem.
To say you're not feeling good at all, you would say,
Não estou moi bem.
repeat this again.
Não estou moi bem.
Say, I'm not feeling so good one more time.
Não estou moi bem.
But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in Galician, you could say,
Estou xenial.
of course, just as in English, there are many ways of saying this, but we'll stick to this one for just now. Try saying, I'm feeling great again.
Estou xenial.
One more time.
Estou xenial.
Okay, let's put this to the test. Uxía is going to ask you how you're feeling.
¿Cómo che vai?
Hopefully, your answer was,
Estou xenial. Time's up. That's all for this lesson.
we really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you are just spending 1 minute each time on your Galician. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series. So, in the meantime,
Grazas e ata logo.
this is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.